Hi, my name is Marina, and in this video I want to tell how I'm approaching my return to mobile development calmly, realistically, and no noise. It's not a motivational story and not a promise of fast results. It's a clear, structured plan for the next 6 months built around real constraints and practical priorities. I worked as a developer before, but for the past couple of years my professional focus was shifted. After moving to a new country, I spent some time for adapting and then was customer-facing roles and recently digital marketing. Now, instead of rushing and catching up emotionally, I decided to pause and approach this return the same way I approach technical problems, by designing a clear system. This video is about that system. It's not about where I want to be eventually, but about how I'm organizing this process right now. I don't have unlimited time. I'm not studying full-time, I'm working full-time. So my progress depends on fitting learning into real adult life. Instead of seeing this as limitation, I treat it as design input. Constraints force clarity. They remove unnecessary options and make trade-offs visible. Everything in this plan starts from that point. One decision I made earlier is not rely on bootcamps, courses, and learning marathons. Not because they're bad, but because they often optimize completion rather than understanding. They can create a feeling of progress without guaranteeing you understand these concepts and can explain them or use them in real-life situations. In my situation, I need flexibility, control over priorities, and depth where it actually matters. So instead of following a predefined curriculums, I designed my own roadmap. I chose what to focus on using a few simple filters. First, does it appear in real projects? Second, does it appear in real technical interviews? Third, does it improve how I think about systems, not just syntax? If a topic doesn't meet at least one of these criteria, it goes on a not now list. This approach helps me avoid learning things that just trendy or interesting and stay focused on things that really moves me forward. At a high level, my roadmap is intentionally simple. I start by refreshing JavaScript and TypeScript fundamentals. Not from zero, but in a structured way. Then I move into React Native, focusing on core concepts, state management, performance, and patterning that appears in real projects. After that, I return to Swift and iOS fundamentals. I want to refresh native concepts, memory management. Later in the process, I want to shift my focus on small portfolio projects and interview preparations. Also in this process, I want to spend some time on algorithms and system level thinking. This plan is not aggressive, it's designed to be sustainable. I'm not optimizing for speed. I'm optimizing for clarity, consistency, and long-term confidence. This means moving forward without pressure, and accept this steady progress means more than intensity. I decided to film this process publicly for two reasons. First, it forces clarity. Explaining decision out loud makes gaps visible very quickly. Second, I know that a lot of developers are in the same situations, returning from long pauses, working full-time, or trying to learn without burning out. This channel is not about teaching from a position of authority. This channel is about sharing a structured process as it happens. This channel is calm, practical, and focused on understanding. It's not motivational content, productivity hype, or learn everything fast advice. Everything here is built around sustainable progress and honest reflection. If this approach resonates with you, you're welcome to follow along. In the next video, I will explain how I started programming with very limited time and how I structured learning when consistency matters more than intensity. Thanks for watching.